Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Threefold Faith. Chapter 17, Shloka 10. That which is stale, tasteless, putrid, and rotten, refuse, and impure is the food liked by the Tamsika.
Chapter 17, Shloka 10. Yadayamam gadarasam puti paryushitam chayat uchchishtamaphi cha medyam bhojanam tamasapriyam.
Chapter 17, Shloka 10. The type of food men of darkness, tamas, would choose is described. Food cooked 3 hours earlier, gone cold, is that which is considered as spoilt. Men of inertia have a natural liking for foods which have very strong smell. Men of purity instinctively revolt against a diet that has any such stink. Food which is stale, that has been cooked overnight, or that has been kept for days together, like fermented drinks, are loved by the Tamasic people. All drinks are fermented and the kick in them increases as the time after preparation increases. Despicable, ignorant men of low culture are attracted by the taste and like insanitary and unclean food. They love to eat food that is left over and impure, filthy food that is not fit for human consumption. This is the description of the tastes of Tamasic men of low culture and dull discrimination. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.